Hello guys, welcome to STAAD tutorials by Dilip Nayak. So today we are going to see a arch which is situated consisting of the two columns. Like we can see the arch bridges. So we will do for the analysis and design. For that, go to new project, go to space, give it as arch on OK, click on finish, right? So we have opened our software, right? So we will keep it in the front view. So right, so I'm going to take this as my height as 6 meters, right? And again over here and selecting this, right? So now uncheck the mesh. So we have our beams, right? So now we have to draw our arc, right? So we have to draw our arch, right? So for that, go to geometry, click on add beam. So add curved beam, select the first node point, second node point, and add the radius as 10 meters, right? So we have got our, go to 3D. So here we can see our arch, right? So now we will translate it. Go to translate about z axis, about 5 meters. I'm going to take steps of 5, on link steps, open base, on OK. So we have to select this, right? Click on Control A and click on OK. So here we can see it has selected our curved beam, right? So we will just see how it's going to be. So we will take the, so we will take the 4-node plate. We will see whether it's going to add or not. Right, so the 4-node plate is a straight, right? So it won't be added. So we will see for one structure how it is gonna take, right? So or else we will translate it. So unfortunately I have clicked the Control Z button. Okay, so click on open base. Okay, so for that we have select one number. Okay, so right now we will add some materials, right? So for this we want to add the slab, right? So for that we have go to our front view, click on the mesh. So now select this point over here, like this, and over here, right? So now we will select these points by taking control and go to 3D. So right, go to translate, click on Z, 5 steps, on link steps, on okay, right? So here we can see, right? So this is our a arch bridge, right? So now we will go to our general. So go to front view, go to supports, create, take the fixed one, add, and select this points, right? Click on assign to view, assign, and yes. Go to 3D, we can see it as assign, right? So now again go to our property, click on define. So you are going to take this as 0.45 by 0.35, right? On add, and again beam is 35 by 35, right? Click on add and close. So now go to, we will add a plate over for this, right? Go to 4-node plate, go to 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Plate is created. So now we will go to our this one and we will assign to our columns, right? So go to select, use parallel to Y, assign this. So again this one to the missing items, right? So for this. So select beams parallel or select the specifications. So by list close. So now we will. So first we will add the thickness 0.25. Add and close. Assign to view. Assign and close. So now this will be the remaining beams, right? So go to select my missing attribute, missing property. So click on assign, and so here we can see our arch has been assigned, right? So here you can see our arch bridge, right? So like this. So we have assigned our properties, right? Now go to materials, click on concrete, assign to view, assign and this. So now we will go to our loading condition, right? Go to load cases, click on add, go to the date load, and we will take the, like, you can take what wind or seismic, whichever you want. So we're going to take this date only, right? So go to date load, click on add. So add the self weight and add the member weight, right? So for the member weight we need to calculate, right? So our column is 0.55 into 0.35 into 25, right? So this is how much? 3.9. So it is minus 3.93. So GY, click on add, and again our beams of 0.35 into 0.35 into 25. It is 3.0625. 0625. Right? Click on add. Now go to your plate loads. So we are taking the unit weight of concrete, right? So it is 25. Now add and close, right? So now go to self-weight, assign to view, assign and close. Now this is for the columns, right? So go to select beams parallel to Y, assign to selected beams, assign and yes. So now this for our plate load. So go to plate cursor, select the plate, assign to selected plates, assign and yes. Now here we're going to take this to the remaining attributes, right? So we will select the beams parallel to plates and beams parallel to set. On selected beams, assign and yes. So we have assigned all these loads, right? If you want to assign, you can assign beam also, right? So there's no problem for that. So if you see our structure, so save these models. So here you can see the arch bridge, right? So now we will go to our analysis part, right? On add, close, go to analysis, click on run analysis and save. So we are done with 0, 0, 0, right? So we go to post processing, click on OK. We go to animation, click on deflection. So you can see there is no much deflection for this. So increase some brightness. So if you see the plates, there is absolute case, there is absolute pressure. So if you go to beams, so here we have the moment about Z, Fx, Fy, Z, Mx, movements, right? If you want to see the movements bigger, so you can press the, you can scroll the mouse roll button, and by clicking this control button you can be seen like this. So this is the solving, right? So like this we can do. So now we will go to our design part. Go to design, become concrete, select IS456, go to select parameters, we select all this, select FC, FY, F shear, right? So here we can take the minimum sizes. Okay, go to define. So FC we are going to take as M30. So FY we will take as 500. And FC is 500. So main bars of minimum is 25. 20 and close to commands, add beam, add column, add slab, and take off, add close. So now we need to assign all these parameters, right? Go to FC, assign to view, assign elements, and FY main, assign to view, assign elements, bisectional, assign to view, assign elements, minimum to assign view, assign elements. Design beam for the design beams, right? So select base equal to X, base equal to Z. Assign to selected beams, assign columns, select base equal to Y, assign elements, design element, assign to view, assign. So it has assigned. So now again go to analysis and print, add, close, run analysis, save. So we are done with 0 errors. Now go to post processing mode. So you can neglect the errors, right? Warnings. So we have no deflection, go to animation, go to flow stress. So absolute animation stress. Okay. Here is the stress due to load, red load out. Go to beam, select any beam. So here are the other deflections, right? Properties loading on this side. Go to column. So here we have a concrete design for this. Here are the bars, deflection, shear bending, loading properties, and geometry, right? So like this we can get all the stresses for this. You see the stresses for this arch beams and grass forces. You can see everything. So if we go to one design, so go to this report. Now go to results. Here you can see the concrete design. So where we get all the design load summary, right? So there is the shear, hogging movements, sagging movements. Does it limiting or exceeding the warnings on the beam size, the beam designs, everything we will get here. So this is how we can design a arch bridge in our STAAD Pro software. Thank you one and all.